How I convinced 500 people to download my AI product. Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm very excited to share a story that's not only about my journey but also about the incredible power of persuasion and determination. In this video, I'll be sharing how I managed to convince over 500 people to download my AI product. So if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or just curious about the process, just stay tuned, okay? But before we dive into the details, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Let's get started. So, it all began with an idea. One day I stumbled upon a fantastic AI product that I truly believed could solve a problem many people faced, okay? The first step was to understand the product thoroughly. Now, I'm very interested when it comes to, design studios or art studios, okay? So the best example that we could take for a design studio would be Paint. Okay, we know Paint has been there in our Windows softwares for quite some time, and it's pretty amazing. You could just draw whatever you like, write something. Let's say you could make some type of portrait if you want to, fill in colors, change colors, etc. Really great stuff, right? Now, I thought, what if there's a way to, make this program a bit better? So I did. I used the Qt Design Studio. Okay, Qt is basically a design studio that you can use with coding. Okay, now if you are efficient in coding, my field is C++. I used object-oriented programming, a bit of C++ Fire, sprinkle some of my expertise using the Qt library, and I came up with a great AI software, okay, which basically automatically took input from people. Okay, like for example, you could write, I want a brown turtle. Okay, it's gonna draw you a brown turtle. Obviously, I'm not the best software engineer from MIT or something, so it won't be as flawless as Midjourney or DALL-E, but it will give you a good abstract design. And for an intermediate programmer like me, that's a pretty good start. But the main thing was to, convince and persuade people to actually buy my product. So what did I do? I build trust, which is crucial when you want people to try something new, especially when it's an AI product. I started by attending industry events, networking, and establishing myself as a credible source in the field, okay? So this is the type of program that I made. And once I felt confident about the product and had built trust with the community, it was time to craft the perfect pitch. This involved creating compelling content like blog posts, videos, and how to explain the AI product that could benefit potential users. Okay. Next, obviously, came reaching out to the potential users, which I did. I used social media, social marketing, and even personalized messages to get the word out. Now, as users started downloading the AI product that I was sending them, it was essential to gather feedback and make improvements based on their suggestions. Okay. And then after that, obviously, the sponsors had to come in and all that. So basically, once that happens, after all that hard work and dedication, you're going to reach a milestone of 500 plus downloads, which I did. So all it takes is a little hard work, a little persuasion, obviously a decent product that you've made, and something that's unique to people, something that's fun for people. Okay, exactly what we've done in our product right now. So yeah, basically, that's all the things that you mainly need to do. So there you have it. The story of how I convinced 500 plus people to download my AI product. And it wasn't easy, but with determination, trust building, and continuous improvement, it became a reality. Now, if you have a dream or a product that you believe in, okay, don't give up. Keep pushing forward, and who knows, you might just achieve something amazing. You might just be the next Tim Cook, Mark Zuckerberg, or even Bill Gates. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing your dreams.